One of the most expensive utility costs as a homeowner is heating. You can spend thousands a year trying to heat your home with no success.
Benefits to having an oil burn-in product is that you can, with our products, is that they're the only ones out there in the market that actually modulate. You will not find another oil-fired modulating burner out in the market. We have 3 different burn modes. We have a low, a medium, and high burn, and the unit will come on and modulate back and forth between those modes. And with most burn-in products, you get the greatest efficiency when they're on and running. So if you have a product that's too big and it comes on and it heats up the house, it then shuts off and it cools down, that's where you lose all of your efficiency. When the product cools down, all of the heat that you use to heat up the plenum and the chimney and everything like that, then when it shuts off, that heat then goes up the chimney and out of your house. With our units, they're always on and burning. And if you properly size the unit, you'll have that unit just staying on, and it'll be on a low burn, and it'll stay, just put out a little bit of heat, and that heat will actually distribute throughout the whole house and get the whole house feeling very comfortable. Even though the unit isn't in one location, it can get the whole house warm. TOYOTOMI has been around for a long time. We've been selling them in the United States for the last 35 years. In Japan, we've even been longer. The product's been around since 1949. We've started off with making wick type of stoves where they would sit in your living room or wherever, your kitchen area, and you'd use kerosene to burn it. We have since then advanced past those little portable stoves that we used to make a long time ago to a more electronic-based stove that uses kerosene but still heats an area now as opposed to just cooking food on. And we've even won some awards for the safety of our products. The units are really easy to install. Most homeowners will take the unit and all they have to do is drill a hole through the outside, a 2 3/4 inch hole. That's the flue pipe for venting. And then run a fuel line to the back of the unit and plug it into an outlet. Most of our products are set in place, so once you put it in place, you hook it up, you plug it in, it's ready to go. There's no adjustments needed. A lot of the units up in the Alaska area, and probably about 1/3 of the homes up there, has a TOYOTOMI product. And they trust our product. They like our product because they know they can see that it's working and operational, and they know that it's up there and working for them. So they love to have it in their homes. They have smaller homes, well-insulated homes up there, but they like to be able to see that the product is working. And I think that a lot of people will look at it and say, you know, how much money they're saving with the fuel cost, how relatively inexpensive it is to install one, especially if they do it themselves, and then the fuel savings that they give and the longevity out of the unit. There's a comfort level along with efficiency, which is what ideally customers are looking for. They're looking for efficient product, but they also want to be comfortable too. They want to feel warm, and you feel warm because you feel that heat coming out of the unit.
If you're ready for a new efficient heating system, visit their website, toyotomiusa.com, or watch this segment again at designingspaces.tv.